Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today, we're dealing with a geometry of shapes question, specifically dealing with triangles. Alright, so let's go through the question together. They've said to us in triangle PQR, so there's our triangle PQR, PT is perpendicular to QR, and that is already marked for us. PQ is equal to 10 centimeters, which we've got over there. QT is equal to 6 centimeters, which we've got there, and TR is equal to 15 centimeters, which they've also already marked for us. The first question they've said is calculate the length of PT. And the first thing your eye should be drawn to is this little right angle and the fact that you've got two of the other sides in the triangle. So that should immediately say to you, this is a Pythagoras question. Now remember, Pythagoras states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of these two sides that are also squared. Right, so I'm going to write out the law for Pythagoras, and that's going to be 10 squared is equal to 6 squared plus PT, which is also squared. And always write out your reason, and that is Pythag, just on the right-hand side to get an extra bonus mark. Now we need to get rid of our squares, so let's do that. So 10 squared is going to be 100, 6 squared is going to be 36, and PT squared we can just leave the same, so that's going to be PT squared. Now we are going to get rid of this 36 by subtracting 36 from both sides, and that's going to give us 64 on the left-hand side, PT, and that is still squared. We're now going to square root both sides. We're going to square root that side, we're going to square root that side. And typically, guys, when you square root in an equation, we're going to do a plus minus. The reason we don't need to use the plus minus here is because we know the answer has to be positive because we are dealing with the size of a line. So it can only be positive. Once we square root both sides, the square root of 64 is 8, and the square root of PT squared is simply PT. So the length of PT is 8 centimeters. I'm going to get rid of that just so I've got enough space to write centimeters, and that's going to be for PT. So that gives you a few marks. Now moving on to the next question. They've asked us to use the diagram in 12.1 to calculate the length of PR. So we now need to calculate the length of PR. So the one thing we need to realize is we've already calculated the length of PT. So let's write that in. So we got 8 centimeters. So again, guys, we've got a right angle. We've got the size or the length of those two lines. And this is the hypotenuse that we need to calculate. So we use Pythagoras again. So it's PR squared is equal to, sorry about that. Just going to bring that back in. Perfect. I'm just going to shift it to the side. So PR squared is equal to 8 squared plus 15 squared. Now let's get rid of those squares. So we're going to have PR squared is equal to 64. And I'm just going to use my calculator for the 15 squared. So 15 times 15 is going to give us 225. So that's 225. So the next line would be simplifying that addition on the right hand side. So that's going to be 225 plus 64, and that's going to give us 289. Okay, and now the last thing we need to do is use our square root. So how would we use the square root? So on the left hand side, we're going to have PR is equal to the square root of 289, which is going to give us 17 centimeters, and that gives you the full answer. Now there's one thing we haven't done here, guys, and we're not going to get the full marks because of that. So we haven't written our reason yet. So we're going to write Pythag as our reason, and that should score us all the marks for this question. Guys, I hope this one helps you. Pythagoras is always going to rear its head. It's always a nice question to get right because there's a few marks on the line. And I have no doubt you guys know how to do Pythagoras, especially after this video. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. If you have more questions like this one, visit our website. We have hundreds of videos just for you, free of charge, no subscription. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send the question to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.